So my handyman was coming down the stairs in the basement of this house, and as you can see, one of the steps gave way. Thank goodness he didn't really get hurt. So anyway, I'm just going to put it back on, and I started looking at it. What's that sound? What, is that water? All right, I came in the basement, and there was some water on the floor, and I thought it was coming from the outside valve. At first, I was in the basement. I was going to repair a stair, but while I was down there, I was like, what's that noise? Water was leaking. It's not a big deal. I'm going to replace this line, this water line. So I bought these 4-inch deck screws. I bought these actually for the stairs on the front, but let me see if I can flip it around. Let me get the right, I got to see. This looks like it would be safer and long enough to go into this side over here and hold the stairs. So that's what I'm gonna do. Actually got it. I don't think I can hold it with my knee. Side, and these are too small as well. I think they're all too small. So instead, I'm gonna, to make it sit up here on this bracket level, I'm gonna take these out as well. And I didn't bring a level. Didn't think I was gonna be doing this. But anyway, let's see how well I do. What's that sound? What, is that water? Wow, it is really coming down. I thought I was gonna be able to start working on the broken stair, and I see the house has sprung a leak. It's the second one today. Okay. All right, so I don't know if this has a special name, but see, it's a Star. It's not a Phillips. I don't know what its name is. Star. I got it out. You see how these are all bent and whatever. This one came out straight. All right, got them out. Of course, it wasn't quiet and easy because they were bent and crooked and made a lot of noise. But I got them out, and now I'm going to switch to this. I got to switch this drill bit. Take this out. I actually found this old paint can. It has Philip Holt's handwriting on it. It has the address of the house. And I just wanted to have something to support this side while I'm working on this side. So I'm just going to do it a little bit. And I need 2 hands, okay? So I'm going to have to turn this off. Okay, that side's in. Great. And now, it's not so much on this one top down, it's the screw that needs to go this way to hold it. And I'm asking myself, how am I going to do that with the paint can? Maybe I can just roll the paint can over a little bit, and maybe that'll work. A little makeshift thing. Like I said, I don't have a level anyway. So I'm going to use this old paint can, and I found this piece of wood. I know what this goes to. When I get finished with things, I'll put it where it belongs and try to hold it. I'm going to do it from the inside. Oops, I do it from the inside and go this way. Okay, so now I'm under the stairs. And what did I do with, oh, here they are. Put them up here. All right, so now I'm going to go this way. And actually, that's, whoops, daisy, there we go. It's better for you to see it. So it's not going to be so bad. It'll probably hit the cement, but I'll figure it out. Goodness, the house is leaking under the stairs. All right. Well, at least it's a good thing I'm here while it's raining, so I can learn these things about the house. Otherwise, I wouldn't know. Well, 3rd time is a charm. This is my 3rd time today trying to work on these simple stairs, and like the house is springing leaks. And anyway, back to the steps. All right, it's actually like going on 8 o'clock, but I'm going to get it done probably tonight anyway. All right, I need 2 hands. So, and I also need to be able to see what I'm doing. All right, the stair is on. I'm going to stand on it. Ooh, I'm standing on it. Stairs are repaired.